Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I'm going to show you a website that shows how many Zksync tokens would you get from the possible Zksync airdrop. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So this is our website, guys, windfall.versal.app. As always, you'll find the link in the description box below of this video. All you need to do is to open this website, then choose Zksync among the networks, but also you can check how many tokens would you get from any of these airdrops. So you can see that there's Metamask option, there's Zora, Base, Starknet, Linea, and Zksync. We have videos about all of these networks in our channel. Now, after choosing the Zksync network, copy your Metamask Vault address and paste here. After pasting, just click on Check Sir, and you will see how many Zksync tokens you will get right here. You will also see your points. As you can see, my vault address points is 7 out of 15. You can see my current balance. You can see the volume that I made on Zksync network, the native transactions and the token transactions. And also, you will see all the other details. So for example, this is the transaction frequency and interaction. So as you can see, I interacted with 13 smart contracts. You can see that I've conducted more than 10 transactions and interacted with more than 10 smart contracts. If you'd like to increase the amount of Zksync tokens you will get from the possible airdrop, you can complete these steps too. So for example, the last one is you've conducted more than 100 transactions, interacted with more than 100 smart contracts. If you complete these two on top of this, your reward will increase. And also, you can see the bridge options, the native bridge. I use the native bridge. I haven't deposited more than $10,000 in Ethereum. I deposited nearly 5 Ethereum, and this nearly makes $8,000. This all marks red. But you can see that I've conducted transactions with more than $10,000. And also, I've conducted transactions during 6 distinct months. Well, all of these things, all of the transaction frequency and interaction, the bridge, the transaction volume, and the transactions over time, this system were taken from the Arbitrum airdrop page. So this doesn't show you how many tokens will you get from the Zksync airdrop totally, because no one can know until the Zksync team announces how the airdrop distribution will work. But this gives you a rough idea on how many tokens would you get, or about the transactions and volume and the frequency that you've made on the Zksync network. And also, as you guys know, we have a complete Zksync airdrop guide playlist which contains 11 videos completely for free. You can watch all of these videos to increase your Zksync airdrop amount and get the maximum amount of tokens from the Zksync airdrop. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.